Primary calibration is needed when the pan axis of the gimbal slowly drifts to the left or right in static condition. Before calibration, place the phone into the holder. Please note that the tilt motor must be on the right side. Move the phone leftwards or rightwards until it keeps leveled. Turn on the Bluetooth. Unlock the screen portrait orientation. Launch the MOZA Genie app. Click the Bluetooth icon. Connect the device. Now, the gimbal is ready for calibration. Start the primary calibration. Tap the gimbal icon to enter the setting interface. Click to start the calibration. If there is no abnormality with the gimbal, please carefully decide whether to calibrate. Click Confirm to enter the calibration interface. Then the gimbal enters the sleep mode. Place the gimbal and the phone according to the on-screen instructions. Make sure to place the gimbal on a flat surface, such as a flat desktop, otherwise the calibration will be affected. And ensure that the bottom of the phone holder fully fits onto the desk. You can slightly press the top of the phone holder. Click to start. For iOS phones, gyro calibrating, calibrated, accelerometer, calibrating, calibrated will appear on the screen in sequence. For the Android, calibrating, calibrated will appear on the screen. Now, the primary calibration is completed.